Hey guys, first flashlight review. Just picked this up from Walmart. Um, I've actually already taken them out, messed with them a little bit. Um, but it's the Ozark flashlights from Walmart. 100 lumens, 3 settings: super bright or high mode, bright, a low mode, and then a strobe. 100 lumens, 3 hours runtime, and a field test. It goes out to 60 meters. Um, Says it's made out of heavy aluminum. Um, it doesn't have a drop test on it though, so I'm a little curious on what that would be. But the two Ozark flashlights, they're actually both fairly bright. I do like them. One thing I will say is that this button on this one sticks up more than this one. I don't know if you can really see that, but it does. Don't know why. Anyways, like I said, it has 3 modes: high, low setting, in a way, and strobe. The strobe is actually on the low light. It's still disorientating. Um, you can easily change through the modes without having to fully depress the button. There's high, low, strobe. Um, has a nice crown here. Can be used for self-defense impact tool. Breaking windows is another thing that can also be used for if, like, you needed to. I've actually seen videos of people doing that. Has a black O-ring there, so I'm guessing it's supposed to be some sort of water seal. Has the same thing with the tail cap. Black O-ring there. Now the thing I like about this is some of the other Ozark lights, you just drop the 2 batteries or whatever in, and then like you're like a nasty rattle. That's what I've seen though. This one really doesn't have it. I mean, it has a little rattle, but you know, it's not really so much a tactical light. In some ways it is, some ways it's not. Comes with 2 of these, which is actually in my other light over there. You know, it seems like a nice light. I can't really say, you know, it's great, it's good, you know. I haven't got to use it really. I literally just bought it. I do like it though. It's fairly bright. Like it. Let me show you the light I used for a while. Well, not really used, but for the purposes of what I'm using it for. But that's running on 5 LED bulbs. Let me turn it on. There's the light I was using before. Ozark. Light I was using before. Ozark. I was using before. Oh, crap, sorry. I mean, you can just tell it takes the brightness away. I'm pointing this up at my ceiling right now. It's actually lighting up my whole room. There's high, low, strobe, back to high. Still pretty nice, has comfortable grip. One thing I don't know if I'm gonna use this as an everyday carry, actually. It's just too big for the pocket. Um, Maybe, nightstand light as well as, car light, but still a nice light. I do recommend it for anybody looking for, a cheap light, but still bright. It's a nice light. I think I'm going to be getting the 200 lumens sometime soon when I get more money. But yeah, that's my review on the Ozark light. I hope it helped a little bit. If you're looking at getting this light, let me know what y'all think. I'll actually be doing a field test with this soon. I'll actually go up to 60 meters and try and light up some things. But let me know what y'all think.